The yellow color of many of our curries comes from the spice called turmeric. It has been considered a spice and medicinal herb for thousands of years in India. Turmeric contains compounds with medicinal properties, making it an ingredient in many traditional treatments, which is now backed up by science. 1. Relieves arthritis symptoms. Another advantage of turmeric is that the element called curcumin modifies the immune system's responses and reduced inflammation. Curcumin might also help treat osteoarthritis to deal with joint inflammation. The treatment of arthritis can also be done with turmeric supplementation, though more research is needed in this regard. Turmeric also might help treat several forms of musculoskeletal pain with the help of curcuminoids. 2. Treat cancer. Though more research is necessary, turmeric benefits might also include a protective effect against colon, oral cavity, and skin cancers. According to lab studies, curcumin slows down the spread. In addition, it cuts the risk of cancer significantly by protecting the healthy cells and making chemotherapy more effective. Curcumin also helps scavenge the reactive oxygen species and fight inflammation, which results in the death of cancer cells. 3. High blood pressure. According to researchers, turmeric might help lower blood pressure in hypertensive patients with the help of a compound called curcumin. This compound also helps improve heart health, stabilize blood sugar, and regulate cholesterol. But if you are already taking medications for blood pressure, consult a doctor before consuming turmeric supplements. 4. Brain health. The compound called curcumin present in turmeric helps with Alzheimer's disease by improving cognitive function with the help of its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. In addition, curcumin fights the damage of the degrading nerve cells through oxidative damage and inflammation, aiding in treating Alzheimer's.